Snowfall started about 6 to 6:30 this morning, lasted until about 1 o'clock this afternoon. We had snowfall accumulations really anywhere from about 2 to upwards of 4 inches of snowfall area-wide in southeast Minnesota, northeast Iowa. Some pockets a little higher than that, especially due to some blowing and drifting snow. Here at the studio, right around about 3 inches of snowfall. For Rochester, about 2 to upwards of about 3 1/4 for snowfall accumulations for the metro area. Other places, Red Wing, Zumbrota, upwards of 4 inches of snowfall in Goodhue County. Snow continues to be to the east tonight. We really just deal with some windy conditions and could run into some patchy blowing and drifting snow through the overnight hours tonight. We actually clear skies out potentially a little bit here with just some high level clouds, partly cloudy skies expected. All the cold air though from Canada, some cold Arctic air comes in as we move towards the weekend. Now our weather alerts still under the winter weather advisory for areas in purple. That includes Rochester until midnight tonight, mainly for the threat of patchy and blowing and drifting snow. Winter storm warning in place for areas in pink. That's been upgraded this afternoon and evening. That's for Osage, Cresco, Charles City. In effect until midnight tonight. Blizzard warning still in place for Mason City until 6 a.m. Friday morning. As we look at those wind gusts currently, we have registered wind gusts upwards of about 32 miles per hour. The strongest wind gusts we've registered so far today at the Rochester International Airport, 40 miles per hour. So strong winds closing in on blizzard type criteria, but you need that over a 6-hour period, and we don't have that because we're dropping those wind gusts down to around 32 miles per hour. 36 mile per hour wind gusts through portions of Mason City, Charles City. Notice Waterloo at 39 mile per hour wind gusts. So treacherous type conditions, especially south of I-90 as we move through the overnight hours tonight. So again, wind gusts are breezy. We'll continue to deal with those winds, and that's causing some headaches on the roads. Through Rochester for Olmsted County, right along Highway 52, even Highway 14 going west of town. Okay as of now, normal type criteria there. We saw with Zach and Amanda, not a ton of blowing and drifting snow in the city limits. We'll really start to experience that the farther south and southeast we get of I-90. So let's take a look outside our downtown camera. We can see still some patchy snow-covered roads. This is looking north on South Broadway downtown. Not too bad for travel conditions as we look at Highway 52 here. Traffic moving smoothly. Bandel Road there. Cars moving a little slow, but overall not too bad compared to what we experienced this morning and into the afternoon. So what to expect the rest of the night? Well, we deal with the strong winds. Winds gusting up to around 30 to 35 miles per hour. That leads to, like I said, the threat of some blowing and drifting snow. Then dangerously cold temperatures. So behind this cold front, we'll pull in all this cold Arctic air. And it doesn't just last for the weekend. I think all of next week, we potentially see high temperatures in the single digits with overnight lows below 0. So currently we sit at 11 degrees, but notice well off to our north and northwest, the northwest corner of Minnesota through Bemidji into Grand Forks for North Dakota, temperatures at about 6 to 8 degrees. We'll watch overnight lows drop quickly tonight and then look at high temperatures for Friday. Only 10 degrees for the high with daytime wind chills at about 10 below. We could see daytime wind chills anywhere from 10 to 15 below for tomorrow, and then this weekend 2 below, 0 for the high on Monday, and even in the next week we continue to have those temperatures into those single digits. So future track tonight, temperatures dropping down. Will be right around 2 to 3 degrees for those overnight lows into Friday morning. Strong northwesterly winds keep our temperatures under wraps by 3:30. where you still only have temperatures around 8 to 9 degrees for highs tomorrow. So 3 for the overnight low. Windy and cold, blowing snow will be possible, especially in rural areas. So make sure to travel safely tonight and even tomorrow morning. We're at 10, and notice those winds 15 to 25 miles per hour, so any type of loose snow will blow around a little bit for tomorrow. Windy, wind chills anywhere from about 10 to 15 degrees below 0. 7-day forecast, it's cold for the next 7 days. We keep those high temperatures below 10 degrees through at least Thursday. Mark?
Nick, I'm cold already. Well, up next.